So guys, welcome back to the channel. So I got a special surprise today. Got a special surprise for you guys today. So today I actually went out and the cats are checking out my bike. Cats are looking at my bike, but today I went out and bought a H2. Check it out. Kawasaki Ninja H2. Oh my god. I cannot believe that this bike is mine right now. It's absurd. Feels so unrealistic right now. Look at this beautiful bike right here. Oh my god, check out the sides. And it's supercharged. Supercharged. Everything is Brembo on this bike. Supercharged, baby. Let's get it. So this will show you how, if you're willing to work hard and put in the action, put in the work, you can achieve and accomplish this one day. Just like how I did it. Persistence paid off.